Different bed head install video. This video will show you how to install the different bed head to bed base. As the bed is heavy, we strongly recommend that 2 people install it at the same time to avoid danger. This design is characterized by its remarkable flexibility and innovation, allowing customers to select the bed head shape of their preference. There are 4 styles of bed heads available for your selection: Barbados, Tuscan, Saint Moritz, and Sicily. All these bed heads can be paired with either a multi-gas lift base or a static base in natural or black colors, as well as a drawer base. Secure the bed head on the bed base. Each part have 2 bolts and 2 nuts. Then tighten the bolts. We sincerely appreciate your purchase of our products. Should you encounter any issues during the installation process, please do not hesitate to contact us. We are committed to providing you with superior service at all times.